Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi 9T and let me share with you how to change the SIM pin on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, so let's do it, and here let's scroll down a little and tap on passwords and security. Now let's enter the privacy at the very bottom, and here we've got our SIM lock section, and we have to tap on that SIM we've got currently inserted in our device, and here we've got the option change SIM pin, so simply tap on it. Right now we have to enter our current SIM pin, so let me do it. Okay, let's tap on next. On OK actually, and here we have to enter the new SIM pin, so let me enter it. Tap on OK, and right now we have to retype it, so let me do it and again confirm it with OK. As you can see, the SIM pin has been changed successfully, so it means that after restarting your device it will require the new SIM pin. So actually that's all. This is how to change the SIM pin in your Redmi 9T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.